Son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono, pa' esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz.
Always buying shit, every time.
This bag is so cute.
Como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz.
Guys, welcome to Cartagena. I'm gonna do a quick room tour because we literally never do a room tour. We are staying in Las Americas in Cartagena, Colombia. Long story, but we are in Colombia. Pretty cute, pretty cute. I have a tub and a shower. 2 beds, because you know, I'm gonna kick them out of ours. The main part that I want to show you guys is this, because this is pretty nice. How gorgeous is this? So we just took a 2-hour drive from Barranquilla to Cartagena. We were there visiting some family, doing some stuff, but we are now here for a couple days to enjoy. So we'll take you guys along with us.
Here we are in my baby's hometown. This is it. This is the land of your peoples. Is it cold? Not at all. This is beautiful. Why can't Robin Moses be like this? Are you in this? She's in it. Ow, we're going down. We're not going down. Oh, look at this guy. He's like flying. You missed it.
Oh, I thought I was looking that way.
That was so cool. Alright, here we go. This is the first full tour, excursion, activity, that's the word I'm looking for, activity. It's called the Chivas bus. Everything I read about Colombia says, you gotta do the Chiva, you gotta do the Chiva. Well, you know what? We're doing Chiva. Are we gonna get wasted? Hopefully. They're getting lit in the back already. Oh, here we go, guys. This is the Chiva bus. Are you ready? Are you ready for Chiva?
Yeah!
Yes! Woo! Chiva time! Chiva time. It's Chiva time. We're about to get the Chiva on in the Chiva time. It's the Chiva bus. It's the Chiva bus. I don't know what rhymes with us, but it's the Chiva bus. 5 seconds into the Chiva, they're already bussed up.
Patrona, no es huevón.
It's the hardest thing ever.
Hey, James
Never
Bond.
goes well. That's what happens.
A ver, arriba. Arriba la mancha, arriba, arriba, arriba. Dale, dale, dale. arriba, arriba. Eso es arriba. Arriba la banca, suba, suba. Número. Y todo el mundo, arriba, arriba, arriba todo el mundo, arriba todo el mundo.
How is it, babe? What is it, first of all?
I'm hoping an empanada de carne.
She just haggle.
Like a little.
What do you haggle for?
A baby haggle.
What'd you haggle for?
He said it was 6 beers for 20. I gave him 19.
Oh! Cheers!
Arriba, menéalo. Ahí tenemos la chica águila. La última banca. Eso, muévelo, muévelo.
All right, so another stop is the discoteca. Taboo. Uh-oh, is it lit? I have no idea. Good morning. Another day of activities in Cartagena. We're going to Playa Blanca. We're going to go to the beach and drink and suntan and nap.
Definitely not.
What's up, guys? Another day at the beach. This is Playa Blanca. Amanda's making me get on a banana boat.
Yeah, I'm making him our designated representative on the banana boat. I'm not doing it.
Why not?
I'm not interested in doing the banana boat, but Josh do it.
I gotta get on a banana boat. We're all gonna die. This is it. This is the banana boat. This is our squad. So we had a full day of activity plan where we go to the volcano and I don't know, do volcano stuff. It's kind of like a mud mass.
With volcano stuff.
Mud mass for your body and all this good stuff. And I'm not saying that that was boring or anything, but me and Amanda opted out just for this. Nice sunny day, relaxing by the pool.
We haven't done that in our last couple of vacations. We've gone to cities, a lot of walking, a lot of sightseeing. I think we needed.
It is our last day in Colombia. We did some pool time, we relaxed. Now we are in, what is it called again?
Old Town Cartagena.
Yeah, we're like in a little old towny place. Check it out, check it out.
I see it first today. She's gonna buy me.
Oh no, oh, the heart one?
Oh, that'll get her right.
Every time I vlog, I get her wanting to shop, every time. Amanda wanted to go to this rum bar, which we're still gonna do most likely, but I couldn't just pass up this place. I don't know what it is about it, but look, you could just chill outside, drink a little brewski, and it's just like, why not? Gracias, señor. Salud. So we still haven't gotten to the place Amanda originally wanted to go to, but we found a rooftop bar that has pretty nice views. It's also kind of like Times Square. If you look down there, you got like people in character costumes. Alright, so we made it to the place Amanda's been wanting to go to. Boom, first thing we get, free shots and free chocolate. That's it. I like this place. Free shots, here we go, ready? Right here, thumbs up. Ooh, that's strong, but that's good. I like it.
Voy a lanzar
Oh, okay.
y enseguida el shot. ¿Listo?
Sí, listo.
Listo.
1, 2.
Ay.
That's what one casual drink.
Okay.
Gracias.
Well guys, this is the end of our trip. We are here at the airport. Everyone said we gotta have at least 2 to 3 hours. Colombian airport is gonna take forever. 2 to 3 hours. 30 minutes tops, we're done with all the process. Now I'm here, got it. Like an hour and a half before our flight leaves. What am I supposed to do? Anyway, Colombia, it's been real, but it's time to go home, relax, and watch Endgame.